How to fix an update is being prepared for your device, but it's not quite ready yet. Error. The Windows Update Troubleshooter is a built-in utility that identifies and resolves common issues that prevent updates from installing. It automatically analyzes problems with Windows Update and applies remedies when possible. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering each command, restart your system, and your problem should be fixed. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. The media creation tool can be used to create Windows installation media on a USB drive or DVD. It can also upgrade your PC to the latest version of Windows. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.